Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? If you're interested to see what I picked up from Aldi's this week, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I picked up from Aldi's. I try to do a weekly Aldi's haul since I do go to Aldi's once a week. And that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V. My channel focuses on budget-friendly content. And I show you ways to save money and I think outside the box. So if there's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. It's small, but I still want to share it. So I picked up my water. I get one of these weekly. They are 10 ounce and you get a total of 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 24 for like $2.39. And this week I changed out my fruits. I've incorporated more fruits and vegetables in my eating, and I try to change out fruits weekly so I don't get tired. So this week I'm going to be eating peaches, and this bag was $1.78, and I got 2, 4, 6, 7 peaches for $1.78. And also got plums. They were $1.79, and I got a total of 2, 4, 5. They're large plums. And I'm making salads tonight, so I picked up a bag of spinach. It was like $1.29. And I got this thing of lettuce. This is the greenhouse grown one head of lettuce. I'm not sure how much it was. Hold on, I'll get my receipt. Okay, the lettuce was only $1.69. So that's the lettuce. And I picked up these garlic rolls. They were I didn't see this 50% off. I was wondering why he marked it down, but they were $2.89, so I ended up paying $1.40 for garlic knife. And I got my little staple item, my whole almonds that I get every week. They're $3.29 a box. And there are 7 snack packs in here that are 100 calories. I picked up 3 boxes of those. And I picked up some tomatoes. And my grandkids are coming over and they love bananas, so I picked them up some bananas. I paid like $2.50 for all of these bananas. So that's it. So you know, at the end of all my shopping hauls, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you to scan your receipt to the Fetch Reward. And I actually found 2 more receipts in the buggy, so I scanned a total of 3 receipts. So yeah, that's one little tip when you go to the store. If you see a receipt laying around, go ahead and scan it to your Fetch Rewards. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, it's an app that allows you to scan grocery receipts, gas receipts, and drugstore receipts for points that can build up, that you can build up and get free gift cards. So if you're not familiar, I'll have a link in my description box. Please use my code, and once you use my code and scan your first receipt, you will receive 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. You got to start somewhere, people. And then you will be given a code to share with your family and friends so they can use your code so you can build up your points. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.